Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So make a ponytail. Now take the hairs from the front and fix it inside or around the ponytail. Now fix the hairs from the between, fold it upward and put this bun clip. Spread the hairs little bit and it's ready. Next, we have to make a ponytail like this. Fold it upward and put this bun pin on the hairs. Now tie the hairs on the top properly and then fold it down using the bun clip like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back. Now after that, we will rotate the hairs. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Now on the first part, we will make the plaits like this. So divide the hairs into 3 equal sections and make the plaits. Follow the same process on the other side of the hairs. Fix them using the rubber bands at the bottom section of the hairs. Divide the hairs again into 3 equal sections and make the plaits on it in the same manner as shown in the video and fix it in the bottom section by using a rubber band. Tie it properly. After that, we will rotate it upward and fix it like this. Tie it from the bottom section using a rubber band again and then again rotate the hairs. After rotating it, rotate it upward again and fix it like this. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Fix it in the same manner. Tie the rubber band again, rotate it and then again rotate the hairs upward and fold it like this. Now fix the hairs from the between like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. You can put some beautiful stylish clips to fix it properly, otherwise it's done. For more such beautiful hairstyles, follow our page. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will tie all the hairs together. Divide it from the between and then rotate it. We will fold it upward, make the plaits on the bottom part and then fix it on the top like this. Fix it using the hairpins and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides like this and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into 2 parts and then roll them like this and fix them on the alternative sides using the hairstyling tool. Make the plaits on the left side and fix it on the top by folding it. Put some clips over it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Tie the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and fix the hairs together into each other. After that, repeat the process for one more time. Fix the hairs in the same manner once again. Tie all the hairs from the between and fold it. Fix it on the top using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and fix the hairs in the half. Make the plaits on the bottom section and fold it around the bun like this. Fix it using the hairpin. Put some star clips. Next, we'll be making a ponytail. Fold the hairs upward and put this bun pin. Fold it down and fix it using the hair clutch like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a high ponytail. Divide the hairs into 2 parts and fix them into each other by tying it from the bottom. Fix these steps again and again and repeat the hairs like this. Fix it properly, tie them together and it's ready. Next, take half section of the hairs on the top and tie it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and fix them into each other. Now again, repeat the process for a few more times. Tie the hairs from the sides, fix the hairs into each other, pull out the hairs from the sides little bit, fix it properly. Your hairstyle is almost ready.